In a previous video, I showed you that you can create a filter view with filter and just say, hey, I want to look at this list that starts at this date and ends at this date. But what if we wanted to just do month? So instead of a single day, we have something like, well, let's go back to our original, just filter, and it's going to be filtering A through G, and this F column needs to be this particular month. So we can get the month, and wrap that around our column equals, but what month? So we're going to need a VLOOKUP of B1, and we're going to need to create a little table here. Let's go create that VLOOKUP table on VLOOKUP. January is going to be 1, and we have all the months here, so we'll look for the month in the first column and get the number in the second column. So VLOOKUP A:B, index 2, and look at that. All of these are in January. We can go to February, and we can even make this a drop-down menu from our range, which is going to be our VLOOKUP table here. All of these options. Click Done, and now it's a drop-down menu. We're going to have none for January, but now we can see February. All of these close dates are in February. Isn't that awesome? It was just using this filter and making sure this month is equal to whatever the VLOOKUP is in this month we've selected. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.